Get ready, because we are gearing up for our biggest trade show of the year, WEFTEC 2023. We are pumped to give you an exclusive look at new products and new product enhancements that we've been working on over the last few years. So here's a sneak peek. First up, our patent-pending ADV system. Our exclusive built-in automatic degassing valve reduces vapor lock for diaphragm metering pumps, and it eliminates the need for external degassing components for your metering pumps. Next is our new CO2 feed system. Our new CO2 feed system can safely and efficiently reduce pH levels in your water supply. Next, you'll see the redesign of our M3 peristaltic metering pump roller assemblies. The redesigned roller assembly eliminates the need for a tube installation tool while you're replacing the pump head tubing. The redesigned roller assembly also allows you to remove a single roller out of the roller assembly and replace it with a new one or clean it up, eliminating the need for you to replace the entire roller assembly. So this new enhancement not only increases your safety, it also saves you time and money. Plus, we've got our new custom chemical feed skid systems that'll be at our booth, and our new water analyzers, and so much more. Finally, we will debut a major upgrade to one of our best-selling chemical metering pumps. You've got to stop by our booth and check this out. We want you to join us in Chicago this year. Stop by our booth at 1248, booth number 1248, and pick up a free Blue White branded water bottle and grab some cool refreshments. Don't forget to swing by and say hello to me and the Blue White team. We want to help you with your chemical feed and fluid measurement needs. So we're looking forward to seeing you at WEFTEC 2023. Woohoo!